Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CFA Level 1 step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the 10 topic areas. Next, develop a comprehensive study schedule, aiming for at least 300 hours of preparation. It's crucial to allocate your time effectively across all subjects. Finally, ensure you have all your study resources ready, including the official curriculum and any supplementary materials you plan to use. As you dive into the material, prioritize deep understanding over rote memorization. The CFA exam tests your ability to apply concepts, so truly grasp the why behind each topic. Consistently work through the end-of-chapter questions to solidify your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention. Regular review of difficult sections is key to long-term retention and building confidence. About 1 to 2 months before the exam, begin taking full-length mock exams. Treat these as real exam simulations to build stamina and manage your time effectively. After each mock, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify your weakest areas. This targeted review will help you focus your remaining study time. Also, consider creating flashcards for important formulas and definitions for quick recall. In the final weeks leading up to the exam, shift your focus to intensive review of all topics and continued practice. Avoid learning new material during this period. On exam day, ensure you are well rested and have all necessary items, like your calculator and identification. Trust in the hundreds of hours you've invested and approach the exam with a calm and confident attitude. You've prepared for this moment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.